I think, our vision for Selah, I think we kind of fell into new urbanism is really the way it worked. I mean, the whole thing behind Selah is to, build communities, something that we feel like has been forgotten in a lot of neighborhoods. You go to these neighborhoods, they all look the same, they're all cookie cutter. With Selah is different. It's something where you can go walk in Priors and it's like you're going in Cheers where everybody knows who you are. It's because all the neighbors live in here. But to truly build something like that, and it's just something out of our heart that we wanted to do something different.
It was also inspired by a lot of traveling.
Yeah, traveling.
We had a home in Carlton Landing, and so that was a place that we were able to go to during COVID when everybody else was kind of contained within their homes. And that was around the same time that we came into the opportunity to buy the property that Selah sits on now. And so we were
Working on it for a while.
had really been trying to figure out what do we want to do with this much land. We had developed over 1,000 acres of residential communities and about 400 acres of commercial property, and there was just something missing. We wanted something different. So then we decided we could no longer do just neighborhoods. It was time to build a community.
Yeah.